Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be creating a super quick galaxy background using Goosebumps sprays. So I am adding the shimmer Goosebumps on some watercolor card paper, and I'll allow it to dry. You can also help drying it with your heat gun. So once everything is dry, I'll be using these three beautiful fireworks sprays, and they are Sweet Plum. I'll also add little Danube Blue and Rosebud. So I'll add all these three fireworks sprays at various spots, and then add a lot of water to blend. And once they run into each other, it creates a beautiful blend of colors, and I totally love that. So once again, I'll be using my heat gun to dry this panel, and you can just let it dry like that even that is going to be a very beautiful panel. So since I was in a bit of hurry, I decided to use my heat gun, and this is how it looks. The white spots, because of the Goosebumps, it looks stunning, and those white dots are so super bright. So once this is dry, I will add a second layer of Goosebumps sprays on top of this colored panel. So basically it will be step 2. First we have done a resist, and this is going to give us white dots. But now, since the panel is already colored, and if we add it now, the resist will be of a base color, so we can see through those dots now. And next I'll be using my Memento Tuxedo black and a sponge dauber to add black color on this galaxy background. This instantly starts making it look like a real galaxy with millions of stars shining through. So this makes it very easy, and this type of a background is very popular in card making and scrapbooking these days. So this is almost done, and I used this card panel on a card, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. So this is basically a reverse way of creating the galaxy background. Instead of adding splatters after the colored panel is ready, we have already created a mask or a resist using Goosebumps sprays. So thank you so much for watching, and if you wish to see more videos, do visit the Imagine blog and the YouTube channel. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.